So the agenda for this session is setting territories for account assignment, setting territories for opportunity assignment, and we'll review some profile options related to uh, territory assignment, and then we will see to how do we do bulk assignment for territories to lead account opportunity and partners. Then so depending on the time, so we will see custom auxiliary fields for account to use in territory setup. Okay. So now I'll quickly get into the application and I'll show you the setup directly. Okay. So this is our environment. So we'll go to first sales and then territories. Okay. So once we go into territories, so maybe we can use a proposal or directly the work area. So both we can use. So in yesterday in previous class we have created few territories under APAC consumer sales. We have created China consumer sales where the owner is John Dunbar. Okay. And so we will use one of this territory for opportunity assignment and territory assignment. Let's take an example of China consumer sales. So first we will create a proposal. Save and continue, and expand consumer sales and expand APAC consumer sales. Now add these two to proposal. Now edit coverage for China consumer sales. So these are the dimensions that we enabled for territory assignment. So we can see all of these dimensions. So if we see, if I click on show dimension, I can see a summary of this dimension. For this territory, I can see all the dimensions that are available. So the dimensions are product is consumer, industry of account is consumer products, organization type is any type we can choose, customer size is also any, and sales channel is direct, business unit is any, account type is any, customer type is also any, and address where we have given the condition for country where it is China. The account country, account primary address country should be China. Okay. So to this we'll add few things. So we'll take for opportunity assignment. So we will consider China consumer sales to assign opportunities. Okay. So for that, we should use these two fields. If we don't use these fields, then it will not consider for opportunity, because product and sales channel fields or attributes will be available only in account and opportunity and lead. So if you want to use opportunity, if you want to use this assignment for opportunity or lead, then we must use these two fields. and remaining all are related to customer attributes, that is for account. So here, if we go, we have consumer sales. Okay. So if you want to see the whole sales catalog, you can just click uncheck this and you will see the entire sales catalog here. So under this we have consumer. So based on this, if I just select consumer product group, so then I can, so then this territory will get assigned. Instead, I want to add computer accessories, and also these are the products. Right? This is the product group and this is product. So now I'm going to assign the products as well to this. So if I select consumer or computer accessories product group, or if I select the product within that, so then my territory should work. My territory should get assigned. Now I have added the products that I want. And note the condition is it should we should add a product in opportunity, uh, one of these products or product group, and then the selected customer should be belong to China country, and then also the account industry should be consumer products. So this is the criteria to assign this territory. And also one important point is uh, it will start checking the assignment, right? It will start checking from the lower level. So if it matches the lower level territories, then it will assign directly this uh, the lowest level of territory. So if it doesn't matches the criteria, then it goes one level up. Even if this doesn't match, then it goes to the next level, and then the next level. So like that it will go. And so once this criteria is matched here, right, it doesn't assign the above territories. It stops here. If this is not satisfied, and then it goes to APAC consumer sales, and then this satisfied, it will assign this territory, and it doesn't assign the above territories. So that's how the territory engine will work. So if your uh, so if your territory setups, right, satisfies multiple territories, suppose uh, under global sales, your condition matches APAC consumer sales as well as NA consumer sales central, so then both territories will get assigned. Okay. So okay, so now we have done the setup for opportunity, right, for China consumer sales. I will activate it. Click done, and make sure the process is completed so that the changes will be in the main line. Now the same changes we can do using the list view as also. So for that, you will just go to the China, say you will go to the respective uh, territory, China consumer sales, and then you will go to dimensions. Okay, and then if you want to edit address coverage, you just come to this drop down and click edit address coverage. So here you can edit the address coverage. So if you want to edit dimensions and coverages, that is our all the other dimensions. So click enable edit dimensions and coverage. So where you have all the other dimensions, you can choose this. So as of now, the proposal is still running, so that's why it is not yet reflected the products. So we'll just try to refresh, but this is how you can make the same changes without proposal. For a track of right, so this mostly use it for immediate changes or you immediate changes, but if you have bulk changes, so you can use the proposal or import management, etc. So this changes will get reflected immediately if you make any changes here, but if you make a proposal, so you can review the hierarchy, everything, and then you can publish the proposal. Okay. So let's see the proposal status. It is still pending. So now the process is completed. We'll to preview the process, right? The check the status. You can go to all proposals, and then you can check the territory status, proposal status. You can check under completed territory proposals. Okay. So you can see the status here under completed territory proposals. So now it is completed. Now, even if you go to the list view, so you can see the changes here. If you go to dimensions, you can see the products added, right? So now our territory setup for opportunity is completed. Now we'll go to sales and opportunity, and we'll create a new opportunity. Now select the account. So this account should be China. So with this information, we will just create. So from account, we will get the address dimension and as well as the industry dimension. So from products, from opportunity products, we will get the product dimension. So based on this criteria, it will match the rules and then it will assign the territories. Now to verify the account address, I'll go to the account by using this link, and I'll go to profile. Now I need to make sure that this account belongs to China region, China country. Okay. So you take a look at primary, so this should be China address. So it is already China, so it is okay. The next criteria is industry. So industry, you have a drop down of values where you can select the consumer, the industry type value. So if we go to the drop down and expand all industries, you can see the list of industries available. So from this, whatever criteria it matches, so it must be there. So then only our territory will get assigned. So this account looks okay. So I'll save and close. And then I'll add the product. To add a product, if you know a specific product or product group, so you can use this drop down and then you can select the type as product group or product. You can select. So otherwise, if you don't know, just remove this and use the browse catalog. It has a hierarchy of the products and product group setup. So here you have consumer, and within that you have all of this, right? Computer accessories. So these computer accessories we have added actually. So now if I select any one of the product uh, or consumer product group or computer accessories product group, so I should, so the territory should be assigned. Now save and close. Now I have the product, save and close. Okay. Okay. So now on saving a territory, the assignment process is running. So to check the territories assigned to this opportunity, you need to go to team. And you can see in team tab, you have two types of teams, territory team members and as well as territories. Now switch to territories. You can see China consumer sales is assigned to this territory. So other than this, some other territories also satisfied for this criteria. So those territories also get assigned. If you see some China territories and some direct sales, EMEA direct sales. Okay, so these territories also satisfied the condition. So it got assigned all the territories. And if you switch to team members, we have some additional profile options that will add the team members, territory team members to this opportunity team. So these are all some territory team owners. Okay, so those are also get added. So and now when we if we check this visibility, right, because it has the territory, and uh, uh, because of that in territory they have we have team members, or every territory we have team members, and that territory is assigned to opportunity. So automatically territory team members, right, whoever is in this territory team, so they will get access to this opportunity. And for a visibility at opportunity level, like who is the opportunity, you can also copy those territory team members to opportunity team. So this is how the opportunities will be used for territories. So basically here we will get one more action, run assignment. So if we enable that, so we can run the process ad hoc. So currently there is one setting, whenever opportunity is saving, run the process. So because of that, we might not need this action, but if we want on an ad hoc basis, so then we can enable that action, run assignment here, and then we can run whenever some changes or some changes done for this opportunity, like product or account, something like that. So now we will go to account assignment. We'll switch to territories.